The next statistics I'm going to show you is about hurricane. TC is tropical cyclone, the activities, going from about 1970s to now. The reason why you start in 1970 here is because this is the satellite era where we have satellite to look at all the statistics, so it's rather more accurate. But the point is, where is the killer trend? You look at anything you want, right? Tropical cyclone or extreme hurricane, they're going up and down, up and down, up and down, right? Where is the carbon dioxide alcohol? And then if you look at the more relevant, the impact type, the tropical cyclone that actually land on the, come to the land and sort of cause damages. Category 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 3 and 4 and 5 are of course bad because the wind speed is high, probably a lot more rain as well. It's pretty much up and down, really. This is the stuff that they actually will create all kinds of so-called papers, scientific papers, to try to make claims that, CO2 can actually not change the statistics, but may make the hurricane stronger and more energetic and things like that. But unfortunately, it's not so true.
Okay, picking it up here in Wilmington, North Carolina, right at the Intracoastal, and we're in one of these bands. This is about as nasty as it's been. We had some bands like this last night, and then the eye wall this morning, we were not on TV. It was a dark and raucous night at the hotel, and this wind.
Because the other day, we have this tropical storm Barry just move in, so you can see the statistics for yourself. If you look at all the landfalling hurricane in Louisiana, for example, the statistics go rather far back, right? 1851 until July 13 of 2019. I don't think you can claim anything out of this sort of thing. Nature is what it is, actually. As far as concerned, we cannot find any carbon dioxide fingerprint in all these statistics. So one other things that we want to learn is always like that. You really, every time you hear a word, no wonder they say, for example, some people worry, why am I showing so many charts? Because you know why? Words are very bad because they are able to deceive you. You have to learn them. Every time they say this and that, you ask them, where is the data? I want to see the data. My good friend from Ireland say, where's the data, right? Let's look at the data. The first data we want to look at is tornado, for example. This is among the 3 strongest. The one that is tornado that is up to 140 miles an hour kind of wind, up to 200 miles an hour kind of wind. F3 to F5. And showing you the statistics from 54 to now. I don't know. I mean, maybe they like to say global warming causing the trend to go down. Oh, no, it's not possible. It's not possible. Joking aside, you have to study this issue carefully. And then my good friend, the meteorologist Joe Bastari, who say that, especially this 2019, we have a lot of tornado in the Midwest. But the blame on global warming is completely baloney, right? Because this May was very cold, by the way. So to form tornado, you need very sharp gradient, like very warm in the tropics and very cold on the land here. Then you possibly can have that. Because just a year ago, the May was very warm. Here's the slide that you should see, right? On your left is the one that last year. When you are very warm on the land, you got no tornado activity at all in the May. But this year, kind of very cold in the Midwest, you tend to have a lot more tornado formation. It's just the opposite of what they say, by the way. Now I want to talk about, because, by the way, this carbon dioxide changing any of the weather and climate statistics, they just couldn't find too many of this around, by the way. To be honest with you, if I can find one, I will show you tonight. I couldn't find one. That's my thing. You can ask all my friends here. They're all scientists. We're practicing science day in, day out. We're looking for these things.